How to create an email account in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar, click the Mail option. In this interface, click the Create Email Address button. If you are on some other page, click the General tab to come on this page. Now enter an email address in the text input box. If you have more than one domain, you can click to open the drop-down list and select the appropriate domain for your email account. You can click to uncheck this options box. I leave this box checked. I also leave the blank input box for an external email, but you may provide an email address for password recovery in case you lose access to your primary email account. Either you can enter the password twice in the given text input boxes or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click the Generate button, then show the password to copy and save it. Let's set the size of the mailbox to 2 gigabytes. It looks ready now. Click OK. Success! The email account has been created and is ready to use. You can click here and open it in a new window. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.